Hi guys.
So, I know it's been a minute, second graders, since we've seen each other. I hope you're all doing well throughout this. But, even though you're at home, and clearly I am at home, we still got music to be doing. So, here's what we're going to do today. We're going to go over the hand signs that we know. We're going to go over the notes, the rhythms that we know. I'm going to come up with a few stick notation rhythms, and I want you to try to figure them out on your own, and then I'll show you the answer to them. Then we're going to sing a song we already know, and I'm telling you about something new today. And then I'm going to give you an assignment to do on your own, and for the assignment all you're going to need is a piece of paper and a pencil or a marker or a crayon or whatever you got lying around, because you're going to be writing melodies, okay? So let's get started with the hand signs that we know. Look over there! It was there the whole time, I promise. So, the hand signs that we should know are do, re, mi, so, and la. So we're going to sing that up and down a few times. I'll sing it, and then I'll sing it a few more times, and you sing it with me, okay? Do's right here. Do, re, mi, so, la, so, mi, re, do. One more time, here we go. Do, re, mi, so, la, so, mi, re, do. One more time, just for good luck, why not? Do, re, mi, so, la, so, mi, re, do. Okay? Now, as for the individual notes that we use to build our rhythms, I've written them all down. So the first one is the weird one, so I put it by itself. We remember a quarter rest. No sound, but one beat. So if I did 4 of these, you would have this. Nice and easy, right? After that, we have ta and tt. 2 of the first notes you learn. Ta is 1 sound, 1 beat. So if I had 4 quarter notes, you would have... Ooh, hold on, I can do this. I'm a professional. Ta, 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 ta. Tt, the paired 8th note, 2 sounds, 1 beat. So if you had 8 of these, or 4 pairs, you would have T, 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 T. Okay? Now, the next 2 we have are the 2 ones you've been learning this year. The half note, ta, and the 16th note, which we all know and love, tika tika. So, the half note is 1 sound that's 2 beats long. So, ta, wait no, I did that wrong. Ta, 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 ta. The next one we have is tika tika. This is the one we've been going over. It's 4 separate sounds on a single beat. This is the quick one, remember? Now, I actually have to do the sounds like this because I can't snap that fast. So, tika 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 tika. Now, I have to stress this like I do with every time. Remember, a 16th note does not mean go as fast as humanly possible. No. The 16th note is dependent on the beat. So if you have a fast beat, your 16th notes are fast. But if your beat is slow, tika, 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 tika. The 16th notes aren't that quick. So always remember that. So I'm going to come up with a few rhythms for you using stick notation. Now, to give a quick reminder of how stick notation is going to work, I need to find my eraser that I totally 100% know where it is. No, really, trust me, stop laughing. Your quarter rest in stick notation is going to look like this. A Z, like sleeping. Shh.
Wake up!
I'm good, I'm good. The quarter and eighth notes in stick notation, you just erase the circles, so you just have your sticks. Now the half note and the 16th note, well, the 16th note works exactly the same way as the quarters and the eighths. Just erase the circles at the bottom, but the half note in stick notation is going to stay exactly like this. Because if you were to erase the circle on a half note, well, you see the problem, that'd be the same thing as a quarter note, wouldn't it? So even in stick notation, a half note is still going to look like that. So, yeah, I made the circle a bit wide. So I'm going to put down a 4-beat rhythm with the hand sign letters underneath for the melody. So let's go here, 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 do. So, I want you to try reading and singing this on your own. If you can't do it, that's fine, because I'm going to be giving you the answer in a second. So, I'll give you 2 tries to figure it out. 1, 2, read what's on the board. 1 more time, read what's on the board. Now, how that should sound is going to be like this. 1, do, do, 1, 2, sing with me, do, re, re. Ah, do you see the problem? I've put a mi on the rest, but that's not supposed to work, is it? Because a rest has no sound. But you already knew that. 1, 2, read what's on the board, do, re, re, so. 1 more time, read what's on the board, do, re, re, so. Let's do 1 more. Let's go. How about this one? Try to read it on your own 2 times, and then I'll show you how to sing it. 1, 2, read what's on the board. 1 more time, read what's on the board. So what you should have there is this. I'll sing it this time. 1, let me go a little higher. 1, no. 1, 2, here is do. Do, mi, 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 so. 1 more time, sing with me. Do, mi, 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 so. Right. Now, we're going to be singing a song today, but first, before I tell you about that song, I'm going to tell you about what we're talking about today and what we are going to be talking about in the next few lessons. And that is what's called the pentatonic scale. Really big word, kind of intimidating. Don't worry, it's not that bad. A scale in music simply means a specific ordering of pitches. And our pitches are the hand signs we've been learning the whole time. Do, re, mi, so, and la. Each one of those is a pitch. So a scale is when you take a bunch of these pitches and you put them in order. The pentatonic scale has 5 pitches. Now, stop me if this sounds familiar. But the pitches in the pentatonic scale are do, re, mi, so, la. Now some of you at home are thinking, well, Mr. Powell, that's the 5 hand signs we already know. Exactly, which means you've actually been learning the pentatonic scale this entire time. You just didn't know it. So, let's practice the pentatonic scale. Do, re, mi, so, la. Do, re, mi, so, la. Now once again you're thinking, well, Mr. Powell, we did that 2 minutes ago for the warm-up. Yeah, that's the pentatonic scale. Nice and easy. So we're going to sing a song real quick to remember it at home that uses the pentatonic scale. And it's a song you already know, Rocky Mountain. So if you remember the words, feel free to sing it with me. If you don't, listen to it one time and then we'll sing it again. Do. 1, 2, Rocky Mountain, here we go. Rocky Mountain, Rocky Mountain, Rocky Mountain high. When you're on that Rocky Mountain, hang your head and cry. Do, 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 do remember me. Do, 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 do remember me. This time I'm going to do it with the hand signs. Ready? Here we go. Do, 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 mi, do, 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 mi, do, do, mi, so, so. La, so, mi, do, mi, re, do. Do, mi, so, la, mi, re, do, re. Do, mi, so, la, mi, re, do. So, here's your assignment for this week. I want you to practice singing Rocky Mountain at home, both with the words, Rocky Mountain, and with the hand signs, do, 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 mi. And practice that as many times as you like. The other assignment, I need you to write some music for me. So what I want you to do is use the stick notation we talked about earlier. If you don't remember it, it's fine. You can rewind the video and it'll be right there for you. And I want you to write for me a melody that is 4 beats long. So for example, since a quarter note is 1 sound, 1 beat, we could have 1 quarter note in stick notation. A half note is 1 sound with 2 beats. So we could put a half note. And then another quarter just for fun, which is 1 beat. So we have 1 beat, 2 beats, 1 beat for a total of 4. Then underneath your melody, I want you to write D, R, M, S, or L to represent your hand signs. And then I want you to practice singing the melody you've made. So this one would be really easy. This would just be do, re, mi. Okay? Now you only have to write one of these, but you can write as many as you'd like. And that's all we have for this time. The next one, I meant to do that. The next time we come back, we're going to be talking more about the pentatonic scale and singing some songs that use the pentatonic scale. So until then, stay safe, and I will see you next week.